Greetings, my friend. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'm Jen Hilman, and in this video, I am going to guide you through some gentle neck and shoulder stretches. So these are going to be great stretches that you can do anywhere. We're going to be sitting for the duration of our practice. So feel free to make yourself comfortable on a cushion or on a block, or even sitting in a chair. And before we get started, I'd love to have you like this video, leave your comments below, and subscribe to the channel. It makes it a lot easier for other people like you to find this content and get the relief that they need. So with that, I invite you to make yourself comfortable, get settled in, and relax into a nice, easy seat. Feel free to start taking some nice deep breaths to help you ground into the moment. Letting go of any distractions. Let your mind fully arrive on the mat for your practice right now. And as you tune in and start to become aware of yourself in this moment, take a little inventory and notice the sensations that you feel in your body. And I invite you to lift up through your spine, taking an active lift, extending up through the crown of your head. Okay. There's a mosquito in here. There it is. Ugh. Resume. Feeling that sense of lift, simultaneously relax your shoulders down. So we feel that the neck is long and lifted. And as you continue to sit up tall, you find a little more space in the abdomen. More space to take in a deeper breath. Let each deep breath already begin the process of relaxing the tension in your body. Now we are going to slowly tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. Take it easy. Let yourself go slowly here as you gently open along the left side of your neck. Try to let your shoulders continue to relax down towards the earth, even as you lift up through your spine. Just feeling that nice, easy stretch along the left side of your neck for another moment here. And we're going to slowly turn your gaze down towards the floor and begin to softly roll your chin down towards your chest. Letting your chin fold forward here, just feeling that nice easy stretch along the back of your neck. And again, we want to keep the shoulders relaxed while you simultaneously feel that lifting in your core. So it's just the head folding forward here, giving you that nice, easy stretch along the back of your neck. Now when you're ready, we're going to slowly begin to tilt your left ear to your left shoulder. Just finding a gentle pathway, rolling your head over to that left side. Take your time. There's no right way or wrong way to approach this movement. It's just a slow, deep, internal journey. Feeling that subtle opening along the right side of your neck. See if you can maintain that deep, slow breath, which is encouraging your body to relax. Now slowly return your chin back to center. So we're going to turn your gaze down, slowly looking towards the earth as you gently spiral your chin back to center, folding forward with the head. You feel a gentle stretch along the back of your neck, finding a slow, deep breath here. Now we're going to roll the head to the right. This time, you're going to look to the right. So as you lift your head back up on top of the spine, your chin will rotate as far to the right as you comfortably can. Now try not to let the left shoulder come around with you. You want to maintain that sense of center, grounded through the spine. So it's just the head, turning and looking to the right. And we'll slowly roll back down to center. So again, we're just turning the chin down and making a little scoop, rolling your chin back to center. Take a moment here. Notice the difference. And we'll slowly roll your chin to the left. So let it be a slow journey. This is definitely not about the destination. This is a slow journey along a small movement. You're tuning in and really feeling into the depth of the sensation. Even though it's slow, it's very mindful. Still lifting through center as you feel your chin rotate over to the left, feeling into that stretch. Good, then we'll slowly roll your head back down, turning your gaze towards the floor and gently scooping your chin back to center. Let's take one more moment here, just feeling the head as it folds forward, a nice easy stretch through the back of your neck, sitting up nice and tall in your spine. And on your next breath, gently roll your head back up to center, nice and easy, coming back to neutral. Now from here, let's take some little head rolls. So this is not going to be the biggest head roll you can do. You want to trace little circles with the crown of your head. So this is allowing us to really isolate the vertebrae at the very top of your neck, the atlas and the axis. Gently roll in little circles, and you can reverse and make those little circles in the other direction. And if you notice any feelings of pinching or crunching, make your circles a little smaller. Just work within that comfortable range of motion. When you're ready, we'll slowly resolve the movement, bringing your head back towards center. Lift tall in your spine, extending all the way up through the crown of your head. So it looks like you're not moving, but internally, you should feel that upward current of energy. And you should also feel a nice relaxing downward current of energy simultaneously. Now bring your hands behind your head. You can interlace your fingers here. Gently stretch your elbows wide apart. But go slow, don't force it, don't push too hard. Just gently open your elbows wide. Think about spreading your wings. And you should start to feel a little stretch into your shoulders here. Now, where exactly you feel the sensation or to what degree is going to depend on you and your body and where you might be holding tension. So whatever you feel here, whatever sensation arises, come back to your deep, slow breath and try to soften into the stretch. So really stretching the elbows wide for one more moment here. Now you can stay like this if you want to go super gentle today, but I'm going to give you an opportunity to take it a little bit deeper by beginning to press your head back into your hands. Now, you don't have to cock your head back and lift your chin, but rather try and keep the back of your neck long as you press your head back into your hands like you were reclining in a beach chair. So we keep opening the elbows wide, wide, wide. As you gently press your head back, this will take you into a nice stretch in the spine, nice opening through the chest, and a deep stretch into the shoulders. And once you're ready, you can slowly return to center, going nice and easy. Take just as much time coming out of the pose as you spent going into it. Then let your arms relax down to your lap and just feel the circulation, the blood flow cascading down your arms and into your hands. Just feeling that circulation of energy, chi. Doesn't take much to really get things going. So from here, we're going to reach your right fingertips over to the right side. If you're sitting in a chair, you can reach your hand to the right side of your seat or maybe towards your armrest. If you're on the floor, bring your fingertips down to the mat as you circle your left arm up and over. Taking a nice easy stretch along the side body, rotate your gaze up towards the sky, looking up underneath that left arm as you gently stretch out through your left fingertips. So for this moment, let that be your focus, actually stretching and lengthening through your left arm. So that should feel very active along the left side, and that's what's going to allow you to get that stretch along the left side of your shoulder. So we're going to reach the left arm straight, 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 and stretch up and over from there, still turning your gaze to the sky. Very nice. Good work. Now from here, gently circle your left hand down to your right knee. Okay, you can tiptoe the right fingertips back or grab onto the back of your chair. Then begin to gently press yourself into a twist. This time, turn your gaze over the right shoulder, looking as far to the right side as you can. So we feel, again, a gentle stretch into your neck as you rotate and twist through the shoulders, the upper back, and all the way up into your neck. Then slowly cross your right arm over to the left side. Tuck your chin down to your chest as you gently round through your back. So think about leaning the upper back towards the back of your space. As you tuck your chin down, you should feel a beautiful stretch between the shoulder blades and in the upper part of your back. Then we'll slowly lift and begin to open it up to the left side, with the right hand reaching across to the left. And you can step those left fingertips back, helping you to leverage yourself into a nice twist. Go ahead and turn your gaze all the way over the left shoulder, coming into a nice twist there. Breathing slow and deep as you work that twist. Notice what you feel. Finding your yes as you lean into the stretch. Now, walk the left hand over to that left side as you unwind. Circle your right arm up and over. So now we go into the side body stretch. Just leaning gently to the left. You don't need to collapse or go super far into that side bend. Just work on extending through your right arm as you reach up and over to that left side. Then look your gaze underneath the right arm, rotating your head towards the right side as you reach and extend, stretching through the right fingertips. Breathe into your shoulder. Lean into the sensation. Try to savor the moment as you stretch. And we'll slowly rise. Once again, cross your right arm over to the left leg. Then we'll cross that left arm over the top this time. Then again, tuck your chin to your chest, gently lean back, and stretch into your upper back. Curling your chin down towards your chest. You feel a gentle stretch along the back of your neck. And we'll slowly unwind, gently stacking the spine. Relax your hands down to your lap as you come all the way back up to center. Just take some nice deep breaths here. Go slow. Come back to that engaged feeling of lifting up through your spine. Feeling a gentle extension up through the crown of your head. Let your shoulders relax down as you feel a deep and spacious breath. Gently bring your hands together at your heart, feeling warmth between your palms, warmth in your heart. Thank yourself for making a little time to take care of your body right now. And I thank you for allowing me to guide you in this practice. I hope that you're feeling some relief, feeling a little more relaxed and ready to take on the rest of your day. Be sure to visit my website, jenhilman.com, and find me at Jen Hilman on all social media. Keep in touch, and I look forward to practicing with you again soon. Namaste.